question 4. We've got a curve here, it's quadratic. The curve crosses the x-axis at the points A and B. Write down the x-coordinates of A and B. It's just one mark because it's already factorised, so it's really straightforward. A, the x-coordinate of A is going to be -1, because here, and for B, it's going to be the positive one, which is +5. So really, really, really easy. The finite region R here is bound between the curve and the x-axis, just like it is. Use integration to find the area of R. Now we should be able to do it on here, but I'll write it up here. So we need to integrate this curve. Now we can't integrate it the way it is, so we need to multiply it out. So take time in multiplying it out, but you should get x squared, then it's -5x plus x, so it's -4x, and then -5. So we're integrating that with respect to x between these here, and we've just found out these are 5 and -1. Put the biggest number on top. When you integrate, you add 1 to the power. So now my integral is going to be x cubed divided by 3 minus 4x. Add 1 to the power gives you 4x squared, and then divide by it should give you 2x squared. If you're unsure, double check, differentiate it, and you should get a 4x, and you do. Take away 5, when you add 1 to the power, you just get 5x. Dividing by 1 leaves it the same. We don't need to bother with plus c because we're actually using a definite integral. We're putting numbers in. So now all we need to do is substitute 5 in here, then substitute -1 in. If you're using a calculator, make sure that when you substitute negative numbers in especially, you put them in brackets. So when we substitute 5 in, we'll get 125, because that's 5 cubed, over 3, minus 5 squared is 25, doubled is 50, minus 5 times 5, 25. That's the first bracket, and we're going to be subtracting this one under here. When we put -1 in, it's going to be -1 cubed, which is -1 over 3, minus a third. Take away -1 squared is 1 times 2 is 2, so we're taking away 2. And then 5 times -1 is -5, but you're taking it away, so it'll be that. If you do this all on your calculator, that's fine. Substitute, add all that up on your calculator, take it away, make sure you use brackets. Right, all that, take away all of that, it must be in brackets, or you'll end up just subtracting this one here, and we're subtracting it all. And you end up finally, on your calculator, it will say -36. If you leave it like that, you'll lose a mark, because we want the area, and you can't get a negative area. The reason it's giving you a negative number is because it's indicating that this area is underneath the x-axis. But you need to therefore put area equals 36 for that final mark. Never leave the area negative.